What's up, YouTube? I'm just about to be working on Spidey. If you didn't see it the other day, I did a video where I was testing the 3D inserts from Team Revolt in my fake tusks, and it was fantastic, absolutely fantastic. It smashed lines nobody can do yet at the Secret Garden, and yeah, good job, Spidey. But it was irritating me that I'd got a skid made out of the material that I used for the Hulk build. It was in the printer, so that's what I did the first skid out of. Now we've got one black made out of PETG. This is about 60% infill. Where's my scales? I'm just going to whack it on the scales out of shot, guys, so please bear with me a sec while I do that. 21 grams. And I can't remember what the stock one of these weighs, but I have a feeling it's more than 21 grams. So we're either as light or lighter than the original. And this, of course, is for the MEUS LCG gearbox that's in Spidey. So I'm just going to get that swapped over and I'll come back. Is it just me, guys, or do I always seem to have a cold? Maybe it's the time of year. I don't know. Anyway, if you didn't see it recently, Spidey, in fact the last video, Spidey went to the Secret Garden for a full shakedown with the longer links, this custom skid, the LCG gearbox, the 3D inserts from Team Revolt on tusks. There was a lot going on. So overall, incredibly impressed with the performance. And when you start to think, well, there's some little aesthetic changes that you want to make, just like Crawler Canyon says, you know you're doing pretty well if you're just worried that the skid's green. So we have made a couple more changes. We printed another 3D insert with a slightly less rigidity and just one single wall for the outer in the rear. We printed a skid, which this video's about. Really pleased with how this skid's turned out, guys. They're just £15 plus postage if you want one, or if you want to print the file yourself, you can have the file for nothing. Just email me at that email below the video and I will send you the file for free. You're welcome. This was super simple to swap out. I am really in love with the MEUS LCG gearbox. I wonder, could they give us a stripped down, lightweight carbon version of this? This gearbox weighs around 90 grams, I believe. If we could get that down to 30 or 40 grams, that would just be incredible. Anyway, that's this all done. I'll hand over back to me in the studio. Right, so there we go, guys. We've got the skid all installed. It looks like I need to tighten up the holes on the inner part of this. This isn't threaded. I just wanted it to slip through, and I meant to tighten up those. So the files that will be available will be with this tightened up. But everything fits really nicely. That gives you a better look, I guess. Does it? Does it give you a better look? That probably gives you a better look at my servo on axle behind the my battery on axle behind the servo. I've got Velcro there, and I just popped my batteries up against that. They don't need strapping in or anything. That works actually really well, and there's enough clearance with the Fusion 2300. I was talking about the possibility of putting just having a look, actually, just having a quick look before we zip her all up. Yeah, I was talking about putting the new Fusion Elite in Spidey, but do you know what? he just does not need it. Let's tighten those up while I've got it off. Spidey really doesn't need the Fusion Elite. The 2300 Pro that's in here is more than enough, and I think the 4S and the extra ampage available from the Elite ESC is just going to be wasted on him. I don't know, that sounds like a bad thing to say, but I do feel like it's going to be wasted on Spidey because of how well he's performing in this current configuration. The only thing that we might do is we might swap over to proper J Concepts tusks, but that will only be if I feel like I'm falling behind the guys that are running the more expensive and original version of this. So I do have a couple more jobs to do. I want to create a bumper with a little riser to clear the rear links. As you can see, he sits right down on there. We're not binding, we're getting full compression of the shocks there. But I just would like something that looks a little neater. That may turn into me actually building a bed for Spidey, but that'll be in another episode. Thank you for watching this one, guys. Remember, it's just up there. No matter the question, love is always the answer. I hope you have a fantastic day, morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is, wherever it is, and I will hopefully see you all in the next episode, where we're going to be fitting all this stuff into the Hulk. We've got the Fusion Elite, we've got 2 Yipping AK-70s, and a custom skid for the Endurer cage with link risers that match my rear link riser. This is going to be a really good one, guys, so stay tuned for that, and please hit the thumbs up button if you feel like I gave you value, and if you don't, hit the thumbs down button. I give you my permission. Bye for now.